Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Students, in our previous class we have discussed about maps. How map uses symbols like colors, scales and other symbols. We have learned features of a map like direction that shows 4 main direction and other 4 sub directions. We also learn about scale, that how scale is helping to find the distance between two locations. We also learn about sign and symbols, that how the symbols are representing a location or the area. It's like school, border, state border or other things, bank and etc. We also learn about the colors of a map, that each color is showing different thing, like blue color show the water, brown shows mountain, yellow shows desert and green shows plains. So now I'll tell you a case study and you have to find out some answers according to the case study. The other day I had to go to a market where I had never been before. So I called up my friend who had been there and she explained the direction on the phone. While she was explaining, I drew a map and it helped me to reach the destination. So my first question is, what do you think I would have drawn on the map? What do you think? Obviously, I have drawn the location, the symbols of the area or the nearby buildings of that area. Would I have written the names of all places that I cross on the way? No. Generally on map we are not writing name, we are using symbols, that is known as key. So key is very important to show the place, like school, bank. These are all places having different symbols. How would I have represented this place? We have represented this place by their symbol. If the symbol is, if there is a place like school, so you can show children, so it is understood well that it is a school. And for bank we can show a symbol of a bank building, or for hospital we can show a plus sign. So this is the way we can show and represent our map. The main thing which every map is having, first symbols and signs, second its key, and third its landmark. Symbols and signs are representing about the place, like which are the nearest buildings or nearest places in that area, restaurant, bank, school, etc. At the same time, key make the map clean and give us the clear idea about the location, that what things are situated in nearby area of that place and how we can represent it. We can easily find through a tree about that area. Third is landmark. With the help of landmark we can find the distance between two areas. So these all things are very important for a map. Now students, come to iLink session. In iLink session, get a map of your city and locate popular tourist destination and restaurant. Also find out how far they are located from your house. You have to find out the places, tourist places of our Surat. Dutch Garden is one famous tourist place. Second, Dumas. Third, Ubrat. It is not completely in Surat, but it's counted as a part of Surat. There is one more nearby village like Dandi Sea Beach is also nearby area of Surat. So this all famous tourist place of Surat. It's the same time there are many restaurants like the Great Bhagwati, which is popularly known as TGB, Black Pepper Restaurant, Geeta Restaurant. So you have to find the distance between your place and that place. And if you are not getting map of Surat, you have to make a list of that in your notebook. Now come to I observe session. Look at the globe and make a list of the continental countries and countries that lies in two continents. We have to find out the name of transcontinental countries and the country which are lying in two continents. There are some countries which are known as transcendent countries or countries which are lying in two continents. First is Egypt, lies in the continents of Africa and Asia. Second is Turkey, that lies in the continents of Europe and Asia. And third, Russia, that lies in the continents of Europe and Asia. So these all are the transatlantic countries or countries which are lying in two continents. Now here we will learn in this chapter about globes and maps, importance of globes and maps and their features.